Can we stand for a word of prayer? Heavenly Father, today we gather with hearts full of gratitude. We thank you for the outstanding achievement, for every teacher who guided them, every parent who supported them, and every
order. Ahana Bansal, History and Civics, 100%. Hadia Fareen Rafiq, Literature and English, History and Civics, Chemistry, Mass Media and Communication, 100%. Overall, Catherine Rose Linto, Biology, 100%. Kesha Arora, English Language, 99%, Biology, 100%. Mahira Karan, Literature and English, and Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, 100%.
Also, we shall continue with our certificate distribution after her speech. Thank you. Good morning, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Standing here today feels a little surreal. Not because I scored well, but because after 13 years in this school, this is one of the last times I'm going to be standing on this stage. When people see a percentage, they see a result. But when I look at this achievement, I see a journey. I see a little girl running around the Whitefield campus, making memories everywhere she went. I remember the first time I came to this campus. I called it the Big Campus. I felt excited, nervous, and strangely at home, all at once. And looking back, I realized that that feeling never really left. That what you take away from the school is more than the marks. You take away the people, the friendships, the journey, and the feeling of belonging somewhere. Because no matter what success I achieve in my life, a part of that will always be credited to this very school. Because it didn't just educate me, it shaped me into the person I am today. And lastly, some inspiration. Last year, I was standing exactly where you guys were, sitting. And then I thought to myself, well, that could be me someday. I could be giving a speech, I could be receiving a certificate. And that's the message I want to leave you with today. You don't have to know exactly where you finish. You don't have to have it all figured out. You simply have to show up every single day. And that's what matters in the end. Because one day you might find yourself standing on this stage, looking back on your journey. Maybe you will do a better job than me. But on that moment, you will realize that the marks stay on paper,